Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home. My dear students, as we have already discussed in the last class, word problems on multiplication and division of fractions. Today we are going to move ahead with the same topic and we are going to learn more on that. How to write the statement, how to solve it, that all is very important. So you will see the questions which I am discussing here and accordingly you will try to solve the questions of the exercise as well. So let's go ahead. Fractions word problem. On the basis of same multiplication as well as division we are going to do today. So I hope with this, with the last whatever I have discussed, that you have all have gone through and you must have done the exercise very nicely and the questions which I have given related with that. Today we are going to discuss more and then we will do some more questions on the same. You can see here the question is, a book weighs 1 by 3 kgs. What is the weight of 8 such books? Okay, if one book is of 1 by 3 kg, then what will be the weight of 8 such book? Means same type of book, but number of books has been increased. So what will sorry, like this you will write weight of one book 1 by 3 kg, number of books 8. Now you will write weight of 8 book equals to 1 by 8 kg into 8, and what you will do, if there is nothing downside it is written, then you can write here 1. After that what you will do, you will write it in one line, 1 into 8 and 3 into 1. Now by crossing, if you will see, is it divisible? No, it is not. If 1 and 1 you will divide, then also the same will come, and 3 and 8 is not. So 1 into 8 will be done, that is 8, and 3 into 1 will be done, that is 3. So 8 by 3 kg, which is not in proper fraction, which is in an improper fraction. So this will get converted into mixed fraction by dividing. So how you can do, 8 you will write as a dividend, 3 you will write as divisor, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 will be written down and 2 will be written here, and then here 2. So what is the answer we will get at final? We will get 2 whole 2 by 3. This is the weight of 8 such books. That is 2 whole 2 by 3. Weight of one book was 1 by 3. Weight of 8 book is 2 whole 3 by 2 by 3. So like this only we used to. Another one more question. The question is 1 by 8 liters of milk is required to prepare an ice cream. We need 1 by 8 liters of milk. Okay, 1/8 liters of milk is required to make ice cream, to prepare ice cream. How much milk will be required for preparing 8 such ice creams? Same type of question, only the digits are changed. If for preparing 1 I need 1 by 8, then for preparing 8 how much I need? Just see. See. So we will write the statement here, milk required to prepare 1 ice cream, that is 1 by 8, which is already mentioned in the question. After that we will write number of ice cream to be prepared, that is 8. So we will write milk required to prepare 8 ice cream equals to 1 by 8 liters into 8 by 1. Now after that we will see that here what will happen, 1 and 1 will cut and 8 will cut. So we will get 1. So 1 will be the answer, means we need 1 liter to prepare 8 such ice creams. Okay, here it is being done with the another that you can also follow, and you can do like this also. You can multiply the numerator by numerator, you will get 8, and denominator into denominator again 8. So 8 by 8 is a whole, na? It means that 1 liter we need. Okay, if upside and downside both the numbers became same, then it means 1 whole. Okay, so 1 liter we need for making 8 ice creams. So that two questions which we have discussed just now, that was on the basis of multiplication, where by crossing we have to see, is it divisible? We will divide further. If it is not, then we will multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Now we are going to discuss some questions on division. How? A teapot contains 4 by 7 liters of tea. The tea is poured equally into 8 cups. How much tea is there in each cup? So the statement will be written. You have to focus on statement as well as you are focusing on the operation which you have to do in this. Okay, both are important. It's not like that I have solved only and then statement will not be written. It is important to write statement. Quantity of tea in the teapot, that is 4 by 7 liters. Number of cups, that is 8. Now quantity of tea in each cup can be found out by dividing 4 by 7 divided by 8. If there is nothing below 8, you will put 1 by your own self. After that you will see, can it be divisible? Means further we can divide it. So we are seeing that by crossing that 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 2 will be written down and upside 1. So 1 into 1, after that you are seeing that after that we cannot divide. That's that much only. So now the numerator you will multiply with the numerator, my dear, and denominator with the denominator. So 1 into 1 will be 1 and 7 into 2 will be 14. So how much we will need? How much is there in each cup? In each cup there is 1 by 4 liters of milk. Okay, tea, sorry, milk, not tea. So 1 by 14 liters of tea is there in each cup. That was the whole it is given, and we have separately find out that how much there is in each cup. Okay, so like this we used to do. See, whenever we are doing the division, we always change the sign of division, okay, into multiplication, and whenever the sign of division will change into multiplication, the second number, the second fraction will be get reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. This you will keep in your mind. Do not get confused in multiplication and division. If division will be done in the same way as multiplication, it will be wrong, my dear. First you will have to do reciprocal and then only you can proceed ahead. Now I am here with one more question, that is, how many pieces, each 2 whole 3 by 4 meter long, may be cut from a string 16 whole 1 by 2 meter long? It's very easy. See, length of a string, first of all it is given, that is 16 whole 1 by 2. 1 by 2, yes. Which will get converted into improper fraction with the help of this formula, that is whole number into denominator plus numerator by the denominator. According to that you will convert 16 into 2 plus 1. You will get 33 because 16 into 2 is 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 by 2, which is improper fraction. Next again, length of one piece. Length of one piece is also given to you. That is 2 whole 3 by 4. Again you will do the same thing. 2 into 4 plus 3. So 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 4. This just we have converted the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now we have to divide both. 33 by 2 divided by 11 by 4, which I have written here. After that, do the reciprocal of the second number because we have to change the division sign into multiplication. So multiplication sign when we are putting, then the second number will, the second fraction will get changed. Okay, and it will be reciprocal. So 11 by 4 will become 4 by 11, which you have written here. After that, I will draw one bar and I will write the numbers on one bar. 33 into 4 and downside I will write 2 into 11. Now by crossing you see, is it divisible further? So yes it is. 11 ones are 11 and 11 threes are 33. So this 2 we have cut. Now 2 and 4 is there. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. This is also cut. Now can it be divisible further or it is in lowest term? Yes, they both are in lowest term. We cannot divide it further. So now we will do what? Now we will multiply again. The same thing is there. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 3 into 2 will be 6 and 1 into 1 will be 1. So 6 by 1 we have got. You can write 6 also, you can write 6 by 1 also. So 6 pieces can be cut from a string, that is 16 whole 1 by 2. Means from this string, from that string we can cut 6 pieces. Okay, the total length of the string was already given, so we can cut 6 pieces equally from the given length. One more question, my dear. See, here the question is, Mansi did her homework in 3 whole 1 by 5 hours. She spent the same amount of time in each of her 4 subjects. What time did she spend on each? Okay, what time she spent in 3 whole 1 by 5 is the time, is the duration which is given, and she spent the same timing for 4 subjects. So how much she spent? So this will be done in the same way. See, total time taken by Mansi to do her homework, that is 3 whole 1 by 5 hours. That will get converted according to the formula again, that is whole number into denominator plus numerator by the denominator. So you can convert 3 into 5 will be 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 5, which is written here. Now, how many subjects were there? There were 4 subjects. So that you will write down. After that, time spent on each subject you have to calculate. So 16 by 5 divided by 4. Okay, then downside nothing is there, so you can write 1 down. Now, you will change this division into multiplication, and when you will change that, you will do the reciprocal of the second number. So 16 by 5 into 1 by 4. After that, you will see, you will draw one bar and you will try to write the whole on one bar only, like 16 into 1 and downside 5 into 4. Then by crossing, you just see that is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and 5 and 1 you will divide, you will get same. So now you will multiply again, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. See, 4 into 1 will be 4, 5 into 1 will be 5. Now, Mansi spent 4 by 5 hours of 4 by 5 of an hour on each of her subject. Means for doing each of her subject homework, she spent 4 by 5 hours. This is the last one. More example for you all. See, Shubham practiced on his guitar 6 whole 1 by 4 hours a week. If he practices 1 whole 1 by 4 hours each day, how many days does he practice each week? Means you have to find out the number of days, means what is the duration in which he is practicing every day. So you will write the statement as followed, my dear. Here you can see. You will write, Shubham practices guitar in 1 week, that is 6 whole 1 by 4, which is already mentioned in the question. Number of hours guitar practice each day, that is also given 1 whole 1 by 4 hours. Now, number of days for which guitar is practiced, number of day for which the guitar is being practiced. Okay. So you can see here 16 whole 1 by 4 and 1 whole 1 by 4 will get converted first into improper fractions. 6 into 4 you will do, and then plus 1. So 6 into 4 will be 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4. Another one, 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 by 4. So what we have got in improper fraction? 25 by 4 divided by 5 by 4. Then after that you will just do the reciprocal. Go step by step, my dear. Do not skip any step in that. After writing this much, we will do the reciprocal of the 5 by 4, and we will change the multiplication, division sign into multiplication. So 25 by 4 will be written as it is, into 4 by 5 it will be. 5 by 4 will become 4 by 5. After that you draw one bar and write the numbers properly on one bar. 25 into 4 and 4 into 5. Now you see by crossing, that is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. In the table of 5 we are getting 25 in 5 times. We will write 5, and 4 will be cut in one time. Okay, so now multiply the numerator into numerator again and denominator into denominator now. So 5 into 1 will be 5 and 1 into 1 will be 1. So you can write 5 by 1 also, or you can directly write 5 also. No issues in that. After that you will write Shubham practices guitar for 5 days each week. Means how much he total time was already given which he is doing, in which he is doing the practice. Okay, and every day time is also given, that how much he is practicing for a day. You have to find out that with the total time duration how many days he is practicing, if that much time he is spending in one day. So after that you are seeing that he is spending 5 days. How many days? He spent 5 days, and each day he is spending one whole 1/4 hours. Okay, that's all my dear. I hope you all have got how to do this. Any problem will be there, you can come with your queries in the classes. I am there for you. Rest, you can go through the video, you can see the examples, how to write the statement, and try to do it by your own self. Okay, as much as you will practice, it will get improved. That's all my dear. Thank you everyone.